So hello folks, in this video I will show you how to fill text with an image in PowerPoint. So first of all, add the desired text in which you want to add the image. For example, I'm adding this one right over here. Now increase the size of the text by clicking right over here on top and make it bold. Now right click with your mouse and go on Format Text Effects. Now go ahead and click on Text Fill. After that, click on Picture or Texture Fill right over here. Now go ahead and click on File, Insert from File. Click on it and upload the desired file. For example, I'm uploading this one right over here, as you can see. So that's it for the video. If you find this helpful, please consider like and subscribing the channel.